If you use a Samsung budget phone, then this is something very interesting. My Galaxy M14 dual SIM just received January 2026 software update, and the update size is definitely quite huge, 156 megabyte, which is surprisingly big for this device. Let's start downloading. Downloading is complete. Let's start installing it on screen. While the installation process is going on, let's talk about what this update brings and why it's actually exciting to see updates like this on a sub $100 Samsung phone. And before we continue, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Galaxy Station for more Samsung updates and Android tips. So this update mainly focuses on security improvements and device stability. That means Samsung is fixing system vulnerabilities and optimizing the overall performance of the phone. But the most interesting thing here is the size. Over 1 gigabyte for a budget phone like the Galaxy M14. This is quite a big update. And honestly, this is why I appreciate Samsung. Even a sub $100 phone is still getting regular security updates and stability improvements. Many people ignore software updates because they think nothing changes. But security updates are actually extremely important. They protect your device from malware, hacking risks, app vulnerabilities, and system bugs. If you use banking apps, email, social media, or store personal data on your phone, installing security updates regularly helps keep everything safe. Before installing any software update, there are few precautions you should always follow. Make sure your phone has at least 50% battery or keep it plugged in into the charger. Use a strong and stable Wi-Fi connection while downloading the updates. Although updates are generally safe, but it's always good practice to back up your important data. And make sure your device has enough internal free storage so the update can install properly. And once the update starts installing, do not start or touch or press any button until the process is complete. So the update is installing on my Galaxy M14. Uh, the phone may restart a few times during the process, which is quite normal. After the update finishes, the phone might feel slightly warm or slower for a few minutes while the system optimization is going on behind the scene. Benefits of these updates are definitely improved security protection, better system stability, bug fixes, and smoother performance. But sometimes after updating your device, you may notice temporary battery drain or heating. But these things usually settles within a few days. Okay, seeing a large update like this on a budget phone is actually impressive and very satisfying. It shows Samsung is still maintaining even their affordable devices, not only pricier flagships. Okay, the update process is going on, but this is time to end this video. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Galaxy Station, and I will see you in the next one.